The pendulum is a great exercise for people that have tight shoulders. In individuals where the capsule of that shoulder gets very stiff, such as frozen shoulder. This is not a great exercise for people that have very hypermobile shoulders or frequently dislocating shoulders. There you want to do more strengthening. This is more of a mobilizing, loosening kind of activity. So leaned over with your uninjured arm supporting you, you're going to let your body weight do the movement. Let your injured arm hang, and you're going to use your legs and body to swing the pendulum that is your arm. This can be done with straight. You can go left to right, and my arm is completely passively hanging. And you can even do a circle. Furthermore, a weight can be used to distract the shoulder even more, allowing a little bit more of that arm to hang. A soup can at home can also help. And that's the pendulum.